If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe by pressing subscribe icon. Also press the bell icon for the notification. You will get notification for my upcoming videos. Hello friends, in today's video we will see if we have to check the display and main PCB of the air conditioner, how we can check it. It is similar for window and split air conditioners. So we will see how we can check it. So in all the air conditioners we have two PCB, one display PCB and one main PCB, and apart from that we have one transformer. So we have to check whether the transformer is defective, main PCB is defective, or display PCB is defective. So we can check it very easily. So we have to connect one power cord to the main PCB, one at the relay point, other at the neutral point, and we have to connect the step down transformer. In some of the PCB you will find this transformer is fitted in the PCB. So first of all we have to switch on the supply to the main PCB and set the clamp meter to AC voltage and check the voltage at the given points. If the voltage is available, it means the power cord is okay and the supply fuse is okay. Then we have to set the clamp meter to DC voltage and check the 5 volt DC in display PCB harness or socket or connector. So if the 4 or 5 volt DC voltage is available in the connecting point of main PCB, it means the main PCB is okay, and if the display PCB is not getting on, it means the defect is in display PCB. So now we will connect the display PCB to the main PCB and switch on. If it is getting on, it means both the PCBs are okay and it will function. If it is not getting on, it means the display PCB is defective because the 5 volt DC is available on the main PCB. So in this way we can find out whether the main PCB is defective or the display PCB is defective. Hope you like this video and it will help you in diagnosing the defect of display and main PCB. For more information, please write comment. Thank you very much.